Hey, what's up? So again, this is a re-vid because for some reason I had my phone off, but I guess I didn't turn it off. Anyways, I'm making baked potatoes and steak. I don't even know how to cook those things. But anyways, I'm just going to put these in. It's really whack because I literally had a great video. Left a bunch of funny stuff, comments, and my own opinions and everything because TikTok took another one of my videos down. But you know what? I don't even care. Whatever. Screw them. I'm doing this. Okay. Oh, God. Shit. It's actually really hot. Everyone doesn't know that it's hot as hell, but... Fuck that thing. Use this, spray it. Or like way too much, but whatever. No, I don't even care. I'm gonna use both. I'm actually, you know what? I'm just gonna use this shit. Onion, paprika, cornstarch, garlic. I'm gonna season the fuck out of it. Fuck it. Because every time I make something, it just sucks. So now I'm just gonna overdo it. Cause I'm getting pissed here. I really am getting mad, dude. I'm not kidding. Okay. Yeah, laugh at me about that. I don't care. Flip this thing over. Boom. That, son. This will be done in a little bit. So like 50. Probably too much, but again, whatever. That'll be a little bit. I'll let you guys know when that's done, when it's cooking, etc., etc., etc. There's a lot on there. There really is. But this won't be done. Potatoes won't be done for 56 minutes. Once those are done, throw that on broil. I believe 5 minutes each side. I don't know for sure. Hopefully this video doesn't... if it gets messed up, I'm going to be really mad. Ugh, I hate this part. It's the worst. Because last time I got burned, son. Oh, that's great. Oh, God. Broil. This will be a little bit. My mom used to beat me with these wooden spoon. I'm not kidding. I'm gonna do this one. Whew. Oh my god, it's so hot. I should just put butter on here. Oh god. Whew. It's a weird potato. Oh, it's definitely hot. Probably way too much cheese, but I don't really care because again, more is less and less is more, so whatever. And steak should be done in 574. I say 540 should be done. 550. Only because I'm letting this preheat. Again, I'm weird about preheating. I just want stuff to be like perfect. So once this is done broiling, I'll definitely put that in the oven. Stay tuned. Not the best, but whatever. Ugh, one of those do with a left hand, and I already know it's gonna fail. I like a lot of sour cream, son. But even that's not enough. Cause it's like hot, and then it's like, fuck, bro. I'm not getting the sour cream yet. It's like way too thick, bro. Like I'm thick, but not that thick. Fucking hell. Boom, son. Oh my god. Like, that's bomb. Okay? But I feel like there's not enough cheese on it. Again, steaks will be in the oven by 540, I promise. Promise. Alright, pretty sure this shit's broiled. Oven, obviously. Putting this stuff in. Woo! God. All that excess juice on there. Bam, son. It's gonna be good. Hopefully. You know what I'm only gonna do? No. Oh god. So my mom said to do. Hopefully I don't die. Hopefully. Lauren's probably fucking gonna go off. I'm literally just gonna use this fucking it actually looks pretty good, bro, honestly. Don't look too bad. There you go. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's going off again, bro. fucking burn my hand, bro. Fuck. Fucking hell. Just so you can see how fucked up my life is, see? You see how it is? Fuck, man. The whole fucking kitchen is fucking... That looked good to me. I'm eating that shit, whether it makes me sick or not. I burn my hand. It hurts. There's potato. Looks a lot better. My hand seriously is like burned, bro. So much sour cream, bro. Show you the steak in 10 minutes. That was good to me, bro. It's still bloody though, so I don't know.